Hello students, so today I am going to explain you from exercise 11.2 question number 3. So the question is draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at distance of 7 cm from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. So first of all, we have read the question completely. First, one by one, we will go on doing the construction. First of all, you have to draw the circle of radius 3 cm. So take 3 cm in compass and draw one circle. So here in question, on either side, take P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at distance of 7 cm from its center. So on one of its extended diameter, it is asked 2 points we have to take. So those should be taken at the distance of 7 cm from its center. So here 7 cm, here 7 cm we have to take. So I'll draw the circle at the center. So I'll take 3 cm and draw circle. So this I'll take O as center and I'll draw the circle. So here we have the circle of 3 cm. So this part is over. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter. So we have to take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter. So first of all, we will draw its diameter. So same I am going to take to avoid the confusion. Same radius, on same radius we will take the diameter. So I will name this as diameter AB. So here OB or OA you can take as 3 cm, that is radius, and AB is diameter. So take 2 points P and Q on it one of its extended diameter. So this diameter we have to extend. So these 2 points we have to take on diameter, each at distance of 7 cm from its center. So on this diameter, extended diameter. So first let us extend this diameter. So the point P and Q we have to take on this extended part of diameter, each one at distance of 7 cm from its center. So P should be at a distance of 7 cm from O. Q should be at a distance of 7 cm from center. So here we have 0 at 7 cm. Mark P on this side also from center. Because on diameter only we have to do. So one point we are mark here, another will be here. So 0 to 7, here I'll mark as Q. We don't want this extra, so I'll rub this. Or you can keep as it is. That doesn't matter. Next, it is done. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. So here we have the 2 external points P and Q. So from P we have to draw tangent. And from Q we have to draw the tangents. So from one external point we can draw maximum 2 tangents, and from here also we can draw 2 tangents. So totally we have to draw 4 tangents here. So let us start. First I'll draw the tangent from point P. So OP, it is a point of joining of center and the external point. So we have to make perpendicular bisector of OP, half, more than half. Keep at P same radius, more than half. Now join these 2 point of intersection of these 2 arcs, and this will give the midpoint of OP. So name this as M. Now next step is take a radius either OM or MP and M as a center and draw a circle which will pass through the center and external point P. So I'll draw the circle. I'll take OM as radius and M as a center and draw the circle. So here you can see I have completed the circle, and this new circle where it is intersecting the circle to which we have to draw the tangent. So here these 2 circles are here, they are intersecting. So this is a point of contact. So P and these 2 points you have to join. So we will name this point as X and here Y. So join Px and Py So Px and Py are the tangents to this circle from an external point P, which lies on the extended part of diameter at 7 cm from the center. So here OP we have the 7 cm, and hence Px and Py are two tangents from point P. Similarly, it is asked to draw the tangent from external point Q. Same steps you have to follow. Here this is center, this is external point Q. So draw its perpendicular bisector, and anyhow we have taken half and more than half of this. So same thing you can apply here. Otherwise you can take once again if you want. So OQ, draw its perpendicular bisector, half, more than half. Keep at O and join these 2 points. So here I'll name this midpoint of this OQ as N. Now as you have got the midpoint, take ON as a radius and draw a circle which will pass through O and Q. So here you can see I have completed the circle. So this circle which we have drawn from the midpoint N, where it will intersecting our main circle. It is intersecting at these 2 points. I'll name these 2 points as C and D because already I have taken AB here. So C and D. So this CQ and QD will give the 2 tangents from the point Q. So hence here OQ is 7 cm and CQ and DQ are 2 tangents from external point P. Sorry, external point Q. We already were done this. So this is a construction. So we can repeatedly watch the video so that you will come to know what are the steps which has to be followed.